strike fast and without mercy. Every year, the U.S. experiences over 1,200 tornadoes. Are you prepared? There are 2 key alerts you need to know. Tornado watch. Conditions are right for tornadoes. Stay alert. Tornado warning. A tornado has been spotted. Take cover immediately. Get alerts through NOAA Weather Radio, the Emergency Alert System, or trusted weather apps. Know the signs of an approaching tornado. Dark, rotating clouds, greenish sky, loud, train-like roar. If you're outside, never try to outrun a tornado. Find sturdy shelter immediately. Follow these safety steps to protect yourself. Best shelter, a basement or storm cellar. No basement? Go to a small, windowless room on the lowest floor. Cover up. Use mattresses, helmets, or blankets to protect your head. Trapped in a car? Do not shelter under an overpass. Instead, find a low ditch, cover your head, and stay flat. Once the storm passes, be cautious. Avoid downed power lines. Stay away from floodwaters. Only return home when officials say it's safe. Tornadoes are unpredictable, but preparation saves lives. Stay informed, stay alert, and stay safe.